What's up, everybody? This is Jimmy Flame with a quick Studio One tip. Let's just get right to it. I get asked all the time, like, how do you prevent Studio One from taking exclusive audio control? I'm going to show you a couple ways to do that real quick right here. You first open up Studio One. Go up here, click your Studio One, and the tab up here. Come down to Options. This will open your audio setup locations, MIDI, all that good stuff. You want your audio setup. And down here, there's a little box, release audio device in the background. Make sure that that's checked. That way other devices and other systems can use your audio when you close Studio One or when you put Studio One away. Now, the next thing you want to do is go up here to your control panel, open it, and down here you'll see a little tab called Manage Audio Devices. Let's open that. And here's where you will find your interface setup specific to Windows audio. My default is the Onyx Producer 2x2 by Mackie. Wonderful piece of gear. I want to open that, and you go over here to the Advanced tab, and down here you'll see Exclusive Mode. Make sure that that box is unticked. I think by default it is checked, so uncheck it. You would hit Apply. I don't need to because I've already done that. Get out of here. Voila, you're all done. You're all set, and that's how you do it. So thanks for watching this short video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Also, leave in the comments if you want me to cover anything else Studio One related or DAW related. I love doing this stuff. So, but yeah, make sure you follow my channel. Late.